Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine and in great health. I am Sonali ma'am, and today I have come to teach you English. But before we start our topic for today, let's start with a wonderful rhyme. So here goes. Girls and boys, come out to play. The moon that shines as bright as day. Leave your supper and leave your sleep, and come with your playfellows into the street. Come with a whoop or come with a call. Come with a goodwill or not at all. Up the ladder and down the wall. Girls and boys, come out to play. So children, did you guess from the rhyme what we are learning today? I said girls and boys. Yes, today our topic is English is going to be he and she. So children, when do we use he? We use he when we are talking about a male gender. Meaning when we're talking about father, brother, uncle, sir, we refer to them as male gender, right? So that's when we use he. And when do we use she? When we are talking about teacher, mother, aunt, sister, we use she. For example, she is a woman and he is a man. So children, now that you have understood he and she, let me explain you one more thing about when we used he and she in a different format. For example, when we use Mr. and Mrs. So, we use Mr. for a male gender. For example, Mr. Vijay is my sir, or Mr. Shah is my father. And we use Mrs. for when we are referring to a female gender. For example, Mrs. Sonali is your teacher, or Mrs. Mehta is my mother. So children, Mr. and Mrs. is also used when we are referring to male and female gender. Now I'll show you some pictures to explain you the concept of he and she better. So let's start.
He, He. He is used for man, boy, uncle, father, grandfather. She, she. She is used for woman, girl, mother, aunt, grandmother. Mr., Mrs. This is Mr. Vinod. He is a doctor. This is Mrs. Rita. She is a teacher. Now children, please open your English classwork book to page number 96 and let's read some sentences of he and she. He, she. He is used for male gender. She is used for female gender. First sentence is, this is Raju. He is a man. This is Geeta. She is a woman. This is Tina. She is a girl. This is Manoj. He is a boy. This is Mr. Nagpal. He is a doctor. This is Mrs. Rekha. She is a teacher. Now children, open page number 97 and let's do some practice work. Fill in the blanks with he or she. first we will read the sentences and then we will solve the answer. Okay, so the first sentence is, this is Sita. Dash is a woman. This is Raj. Dash is a boy. This is Sita's father. Dash is a doctor. This is Raj's mother. Dash is a doctor. This is Manish. Dash is a man. This is Bharti. Dash is a woman. Now children, we will solve the answers to this practice page. So children, here are the answers to our practice work. Let's read the sentences once more. This is Sita. Dash is a woman. So what will we write here? She. S-H-E, she. Next is, this is Raj. Dash is a boy. We will write H-E, he. Next is, this is Sita's father. Dash is a doctor. So, father means man. So, we will write H-E, he. This is Raj's mother. Dash is a doctor. So, when we read mother, we write she. S-H-E, she. Then is, this is Manish. Dash is a man. We will write he. H-E, he. And the last one is, this is Bharti. Dash is a woman. We will write she. S-H-E, she. So children, you will write it the same way that is shown to you in this video, with capital letter in the starting. S will be capital and H will be capital.
So children, I hope you all have understood the concept of he and she thoroughly. And we will meet again tomorrow for another session. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.